Hello everyone, welcome back to Howling Hoosier Outdoors, and today we are doing another kit knife build from Condor. This is the Condor Puukko, and based on all of the previous experiences with these, namely that last Kephart build, it was a problem child. So between running out of the epoxy, between the grinds on the blade being all out of whack, besides the the acid bath not going according to plan, and all of that fun stuff. We took all of those decisions, all of those circumstances. We learned from all of our mistakes, and now I'm back with another one that hopefully goes a lot smoother.
You can see we got our knife, we pre-cut our pins, we sized them. The only thing that we need to drill now is our aspen handle that has already been cut to size. So we're going to be drilling those holes out with the owl and our Swiss Army knife. The other two tools, or a couple tools that we're going to be using, are the handy files for the removal of the wood once we get fastened on the handle, the E6000, which is what we're going to be using for our epoxy, and then for some decorative filing we have the bastard file as well as the precision Swiss files.
Alright, so for the file work on the Kephart, we're just going to be using this basic Swiss round file. Similar thing to what we did with the Kephart design. We're just going to go right along the spine, do a couple in grooves there, and hopefully that's going to give the spine a very nice wavy pattern going all throughout the spine. But I want to do it this time. I'd like to do it all throughout the spine. It's going to take away the ability to use it as a ferro rod striker, but I think it's going to add a little bit more finesse to it if that's if that's what we go for. Alright, y'all, so we got all of our decorative file work taken care of. I hope y'all can see that. Camera's not doing a good job of it, but you'll see it when it's on finished with the knife. So now we're going to epoxy the handle together, and we're going to peen it, and yeah, hopefully we'll get this thing knocked out in an hour or so. Alright, so the epoxy looks like it held. It looks like we got a good weld on that. If not, a little bit of excess going down into the file work, but you work with what you got. And then we're going to file all that off with this bastard file, the wood rasp. Hello folks, so I'm finally back to finishing up the editing process of this video, and unfortunately the rest of that make on the Puukko knife is completely corrupted and unsalvageable. But at least I can show you all the finished product, and maybe that will just, well, that's all I can really do for this one. So here's the finished product on the knife.
Alright folks, so I finished up this nice decorative file work on it, as well as finished up the sanding on the aspen handle, and then added a beautiful satin finish on it. Was thinking about going all the way up to a mirror finish, however, I just ran out of time with the sand and ran out of sandpaper. So, finished product, you can see it already has some wear marks on it because I actually made this knife probably about a month and a half ago. And I've just been playing around with it since. A huge fan of the Puukko design. Other way, folks, there it is. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Sorry it didn't go as well as I had hoped, but stay awesome, y'all.